School, attention!
Punctuality is not about being on time. It's basically respecting your own commitments. Good morning to all of you, respected principal sir, worthy teachers, and my all dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Let's start our morning assembly with DAV gun.
Ready for DAV gun? Join your hands and close your eyes.
First of all, for pledge, I would like to call Tanisha. Take place position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and
rich and
varied heritage.
very heritage.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
respect and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I place my devotion
I place my devotion
in their well-being
in their serving
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jen.
Journey.
Now, Arya Samaj will be delivered by Satya.
School, stand at it.
आर्य समाज के 10 नियम। नियम पहला, सब सत्य विद्या
सब सत्य विद्या
और जो पदार्थ विद्या से जाने जाते हैं
और जो पदार्थ विद्या से जाने जाते हैं
उन सब का आदिमूल
उन सब का आदिमूल
परमेश्वर है।
परमेश्वर है।
नियम दूसरा, ईश्वर सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप
ईश्वर सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप
निराकार
निराकार
सर्वशक्तिमान
सर्वशक्तिमान
न्यायकारी
न्यायकारी
दयालु
दयालु
अजन्मा
अजन्मा
आनंद
आनंद
निर्भीका
निर्विकार
अनादि
अनादि
अनुपम
अनुपम
सर्वाधार
सर्वाधार
सर्वेश्वर
सर्वेश्वर
सर्वव्यापक
सर्वव्यापक
सर्वांतयामी
सर्वांतर्यामी
अजय
अजय
अभय
अभय
अमर
अमय
नित्य
नित्य
पवित्र
पवित्र
और जो सृष्टि करता है
और जो सृष्टि करता है
उसी की उपासना करनी योग्य है।
उसी की उपासना करने योग्य है।
धन्यवाद। For thought of the day, I would like to invite Rajeshri.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. I repeat, learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Thank you.
School, attention, ready for prayer, sir.
Let's listen what's happening around our world by our news reporter Lekhika.
School, stand at it.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are: first of all, take a hit on international news. Ukraine crisis. Flights to Kyiv cancelled amid US warning on Russian invasion. Here are some national news. West Bengal ban on incoming international flights from February 15. Indian scientists develop capsules to crop burning. Lastly, some sports news. BCCI office builds lay foundation stone for new NCA in Bangalore. Indian versus West Indies. Kuldeep Yadav replaces injured Washington Sundar for T20s. Thank you. For amazing and wonderful facts, I would like to invite Ashish.
Good morning everyone. Today's fact find is based on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Fact number 1. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the prince among patriots. Yes, that is what this radical legendary freedom fighter was called by our father of nation. Fact number 2. Subhash Chandra Bose termed Mahatma Gandhi patriots of patriots, even though both share two different political ideologies. Fact number 3. The legendary freedom fighter was imprisoned 11 times during the period from 1921 to 1941. He assumed the post of mayor of Calcutta in 1930 while he was in prison. Fact number 4. Azad Hind radio station in Germany was established by Netaji. Phrases such as Jai Hind, Delhi Chalo, give me blood and I should give you freedom was given by him. Fact number 5. Netaji's death remains shrouded in mystery and that we are aware of. Following months talk about news of the planned crash in Taiwan on 18 August 1945. Thank you.
To upgrade our vocabulary skills, here is Prapti with a new word.
Today's word is acumen. Its spelling is A-C-U-M-E-N. Its synonym is awareness. Its antonym is ignorance. Its meaning is the ability to make good judgments and take good decisions. I repeat, the word acumen. Its spelling is A-C-U-M-E-N. Its synonym is awareness. Its antonym is ignorance. Its meaning is the ability to make good judgments and take quick decisions. Thank you. Have a nice day.
School, attention! Ready for national anthem.
Never underestimate the pain of a person because, in all honesty, everyone is struggling. Some people are just better at hiding it than others. With this wonderful thought, I conclude the morning assembly. Thank you and have a cheerful day.